Tired of fumbling for your Costco card at the checkout? I'm going to show you how to get your digital Costco membership card, so you can breeze through the store with just your phone. First, download the Costco app on your iPhone or Android device. You can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app. If you're already a Costco member, tap Sign In. If you're a new member, tap Register. For this guide, we'll assume you're an existing member. Enter the email and password associated with your Costco membership and tap Sign In. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Great! Once you are logged in, look for the membership option. The location may vary slightly depending on app updates, but it is usually found on the bottom navigation or within the account settings menu. Tap on Membership, and there it is. Your digital Costco membership card is now displayed. You can use this barcode at checkout and at the entrance. The QR code is dynamic, so it changes regularly for security. That's it. You're all set to use your digital Costco membership card. Enjoy your shopping.